Hello, how's it going, guys? We are fishing a locally stocked pond here, and last time I was here I caught a ton of trout. I ended up catching a golden trout, so we're gonna see if we can't do the same thing today. I'm gonna be having a few buddies of mine join me, so a couple more people. Just want to show you guys the rig. I do have a bobber stop with a slip bobber tied onto a barrel swivel, couple of split shots onto a size 6 hook, and we're just floating worms out there. I mean, it did really good last time I was here, so should do about the same today, I would imagine. Go ahead and stay tuned. Let's see what the day has in store for us. I'm starting to get tapped a little bit. Throw it like right here and let it come into this cove a little bit. Oh yeah, you see that? Maybe power bait is the move. Oh, I'm under. Got him.
There you go.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Here, you got your first fish, man. Finally. Too deep?
No, it looks good. I'm gonna get you in over here though, in between us though. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Oh, he's. Oh, yeah.
Got him. That's a good one, dude.
That's pretty good.
It's a
Brother, really chill. That's a bobber stop. So kind of like you were talking about using like a split shot. That's like a braided line that goes on there, and you cinch it down, and it. Do you see that?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, oh, got him.
Game's up, 3.
Oh, come on. I barely caught him.
Up, down, up, down.
That was a good one.
James.
Hmm?
Yeah.
You see the.
It's gone.
It's a golden. No, I'm just kidding. Might want to put the worm back on.
Right.
Take it easy, buddy. Dang, again.
Looking good or swallow it?
He's another swallower.
Yep.
And that you're actually. Oh, Chris! Pick it up. Get him. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Get him. Is he on?
Yellow one too.
Bring him on. Oh, it's an orange. It's a gold trout. Dude, you just caught a gold. No way. It's a good one too.
Is he?
Yeah.
Tonto.
Dude, congratulations.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
This is how
Yeah, dude. Come on, get a goldie. He's on, dude. Come on.
No gold. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Swim off.
Yours just kicked to it. Oh, yours going. Dancing.
There's a hole right there. Jesus Christ. You see that?
Left to right, huh? There he goes.
Got him. Felt like a little guy. I thought it was a freaking bluegill there for a second. Why don't you just hang out for a second, brother? Okay, hold on. Oh no! Fish?
Yeah. John, you're pulling your bait.
Oh. 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 There's your rainbow. You want this one, Chris? Oh damn! They're deep, boys.
He's gone, dude.
They're deep, boys.
He's on there, isn't he?
Yeah, he is.
I thought he was on there.
See it going? They're deep, boys. He's a little guy. Take it easy, brother.
Get him?
Nope. Deeper. We must go deeper.
Here.
Oh, I felt a hit already. See, look at that.
Chris, deeper. Look at this shit, dude.
Go deeper.
Deeper.
You think he's got it? He's like moving it.
Huh?
I think he's got it. He's going around with it. Oh, got him.
Bigger one.